The counterattack of nature. We've got many things from the nature until now, such as ocean, forest, and organism. We have received many things from nature for nothing. However, we do not respect our nature. Instead, human has been destroying the nature. We have been destroying nature in various ways. However, we don't realize this. We do not know how much longer our nature will last. The counterattack of nature is coming.
And it was really connected to all of the large-scale macro-level issues that we're dealing with in society today.
In 21st century, climate change is a serious issue all around the world. There are many regions which are changing. We are adapting to the phenomenon of climate change. Certainly, climate change has high relevance with our daily life, such as food and environment. We had many disasters before, but we hope to protect our nature from now. Nobody may expect how nature will respond to us. But certain thing is that we still have a chance.